Assalamu alaikum. This is EM Robin. Welcome to EM Robin's Academy. Introducing a very simple yet impressive PowerPoint effect that can be used to present PowerPoint presentations that require individual explanations such as about any country. The content is clear and looks cool. You can use this template to present anything what you want. So let's try it together. As always, we are gonna open Edu presentation and then go to layout and select blank. Now I insert a picture, go to insert and select picture and select this one. Right click on the picture and select cart. And right click on the slide, go to format background, is right side here, and go to picture or texture fill and select import picture from clipboard. Now select the type picture and texture. Set alignment, I'm using center. Mirror type, I'm using both. Okay. Now we go to shapes and select rounded rectangle, draw here, go to format, using height 5 and wide is 11. Okay, go to align center and align middle. Go to line and set no line. Set the color is white and transparency I'm using 25%. Okay, now go to insert and select the text box, draw here and write A. Go to font, I'm using the font is impact and change the size, I'm using 300. Okay, place it here and now I'm duplicate the slide 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times. Go to first slide and at first select the rounded rectangle shape and then select the text. Go to format, select merge shapes and select subtract. Go to second slide, change the letter, I'm using B and place it right side here and select rectangle shape and text. Go to format and format merge shape, subtract again. Go to third slide, I'm changing the letter, is called C and select both letter and select rounded rectangle and C. Again go to format and merge shape, subtract. Go to fourth slide and using letter D, place it right corner again and select both slide. Go to merge shape and subtract and go to fifth slide, change the letter E and select rectangle, rounded rectangle at first and then select text. Go to format and format merge shape and select subtract. Okay, and you insert the required elements what you want. Insert a picture and some text here. Same thing, slide 2, picture and some text. 3, picture and some text. 4 and 5, it's same things. Now we go to transitions and more transitions. Select rotate and duration, I'm using 3 seconds and uncheck the one mouse click and check after. You can use one mouse click but I'm using after and select apply to all And now go to slideshow, select from beginning. That's pretty cool. Our animation is working. You can download this template for free. I have given a link in the video description. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next tutorial and thanks for the watching. I'll see you in the next time.